Clause 3 in PAM Contract 2018. This clause basically establishes the contract documents, program, and also the as-built drawing. Within this clause, there are 10 subclauses. The relevant statement you may refer to the PAM Contract 2018. This slide shows the simplified versions of the informations given in the clause 3, the contract document, program, and the as-built drawing. First, let us look at what does it mean by the contract document. It basically consists of the letter of award, the articles of agreement, conditions of contract, contract document, contract bills, and other documents incorporated in the contract document. When the documents come together with the contract document, it is deemed to be a part of the contract, unless it is clearly stated that it is to be excluded from the contract document. This contract document must have an original copy available, which is normally kept by the architect or by the quantity surveyor. For the sake of the contract administration, as well as the future references when it is needed, there will be copies of the document which is provided to the contractor, which include one of the two signed original copy of the contract document. That means this contract document comes in two sets. Both are signed by the employer and the contractor. One copy is with the architect and the quantity surveyor. Another copy it will be kept by the contractor. On top of that, there will be two sets of contract drawings, two sets of unpriced contract bills, and two sets of further drawing and details when it is necessary. Everything comes in two sets just in case that anything happens to either set, the contractor is able to make reference out of it. Next is about the work program. Within 21 days from the letter of award, the contractor is to provide the work program to the architect for the architect to monitor the progress. This work program needs to be produced by the contractor to indicate the intentions as well as the planning of the contractor in performing the work. 6 copies of this work program needs to be provided. This work program is not considered a part of the contract. The reason being is it comes after the contract, and also this work program shows the intention or the tentative progressions of the work by the contractor. It is subjected to changes due to certain unforeseen circumstances at the time that the work program is made. In another word, the contractor may not necessarily be fully abide to the tentative work program as long as the contractor can deliver the work on time, completed the project before the completion dates. The completion dates, it will be a part of the contract. The work program serves as the baseline for the project monitoring purposes. Next is about the as-built drawing and operations and maintenance manual. This information needs to be provided by the contractor. In total, 4 sets is to be provided within the time specified.